The theme, the organizers, whosoever has done it, and my compliments to them, they have made two pillars to today's discussion. The first pillar is the technological drivers across the conflict spectrum. Now, since we are discussing innovation in modern warfare, where technological ambition is meeting the strategic necessity, as pointed out by Air Marshal Dixit, the first technological pillar is actually talking about a triad. So I'll talk about three technologies here, which is what has been given in the concept paper. First, I'll talk about agentic AI. Then I'll talk about unmanned, MDS, the multi-domain systems. Then I will talk about quantum technologies, and I will talk each of these triads both in the gray zone and in the active hostility. So that's the format I will follow as far as the first pillar is concerned. In the second pillar, which is an important pillar, is also to see that today it's become very important, and which we have seen, that you may not be having all systems which are new with you, and particularly a country like us where 30, 40, 30 is more actually is in the domain of 30s, which are actually the legacy systems are more in number. So you find that the ability to smartize and repurpose some of your legacy systems becomes extremely, extremely important. So the second pillar, which is going to be the pillar of repurposing the legacy system for asymmetric advantage, also understanding some of the technical and the tactical adaptations which have happened right on the edge, the forward edge, where the conflicts are taking place. These lessons are going to be the second pillar that I'm going to talk about. So let's start from the first pillar, first driver. Three drivers, agentic AI, second is going to be the UMDS, and third is going to be the quantum. So let's start with agentic AI. So what is agentic AI? Simply put, it is that type of AI which can act and which can decide and take decisions without human intervention. If you put it little more difficult definition of agentic AI, then it's a class of autonomous systems capable of reasoning, planning, and execution complex multi-step tasks to achieve high level of goal with minimum human intervention. So that's the change the agentic AI is bringing, which is different to the conventional AI, as also the AI that we call as a generative AI.